Hi, I'm Phil, and my shower head holder has seen better days. It has started to disintegrate to the point where it no longer provides the ability to hold the shower head properly, and this is obviously very annoying. In addition, this particular holder requires us to completely remove the bowl from the wall by removing two screws hidden under covers on the top and bottom in order to get it off. But because it's falling apart, I've decided to be lazy, and instead it's easy enough just to break it off. Replacing this with a new original part seems like a waste of time. Firstly, because it's branded, it's quite expensive, and secondly, it only lasted a few years in the first place. Add to this that I plan to refurbish my entire ensuite soon, and it makes sense to replace it with something good enough, or an Amazon special, as I like to call it. This particular Amazon special was only £7.49 and features a nice slot for our pole, so we still don't need to take it off the wall to fit it, a definite bonus. The end unscrews to adjust tension, which isn't quite as nice as our original push-button adjuster, but this is £7.49, and it was the button that caused the other one to destroy itself anyway. Mounting the new shower head holder on the pole is pretty simple. Just unscrew the adjustment knob all the way, place it over the pole, and tighten it back up again. Place the shower head into the holder, and that's it, all done. If you're having the same problem, and that's why you're here, then I've put a link in the description for you to do this yourself. Enjoy!